came and filled my eyes. The girl I thought was mine was only handing me a line. I found out much too late about her, but the damage had been done. Last night I met Miss Kiss and Run.
Miss Kiss and Run, Miss Kiss and Run.
She caught me with one glance. I thought I found my big romance. She smiled and with a sigh, she told me that I was her guy. I should have known it from the very start. I couldn't stop what had begun. Last night I met Miss Kiss and Run.
Miss Kiss and Run, Miss Kiss and Run. What makes someone kiss you and run and steal your heart away, then break it that same day?
Is that her idea of fun? Why break my heart, Miss Kiss and Run?
Miss Kiss and Run, Miss Kiss and Run.
Although I love again, I still remember just when that tender kiss she gave could have made me her slave. She seemed to love just me, but any fool could see she couldn't have just one. She had to kiss and run, but in the future years to come, I'll always love Miss Kiss and Run.
Miss Kiss and Run.